Reflections show a stranger's past. Every echo sounds the same, whispering a forgotten name.